Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a little unboxing to share with you guys, and I also got some Subbie mail from a good friend and subscriber of mine, Karen, and I'm going to open these for you guys. It's a true unboxing. Stick around. All right, before I go any further, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I just got up. I haven't even had coffee. I'm wearing my paint shirt because I'm going to be doing some painting today with my granddaughters. We're going to create a painting for their daddy for Father's Day. So I just wanted to come up here and do a quick unboxing. This is something that a good friend of mine, Karen, sent me, and I'm really excited to see it. I know what it is, but I haven't looked at it. So I'm going to open it up. She put it in this beautiful purple envelope. It is a handmade necklace that she made for me, and I'm so excited. Yesterday I got something from Lisa, I got something from Mary, and now Karen. And that's what I was telling you guys. I have met the best friends. I don't expect gifts, but things like this that come from the heart, it really means a lot to me. You guys mean a lot to me. So she sent me a little card, and Karen is the one that sends me the beautiful handmade cards that I shared with you guys. And I actually have them in my studio. She is such a thoughtful lady, and we email each other. All right, so this, look at this pretty bag that she put it in. So I'm really excited. She asked me what color I would like, and I chose the blue. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. If you don't have an Etsy shop, you should. Look at it. Oh, I love this. This is beautiful. This is absolutely, Karen, I love it so much. I will wear this a lot. I love this color. I love it so much. It means so much to me that you made this with your hands. Oh my goodness. Let me get up close. Don't look at me, just look at the necklace. Absolutely beautiful. Karen, you are awesome. Thank you so much. I will treasure this. I really will. Thank you. All right, so the next unboxing is from Fashionphile. I bought it for myself to commemorate. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers. Let me open my shirt a bit. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers, you guys. I could not be happier about this. It's taken a while, but I'm getting there, and I'm loving every minute of it. All right, so I came across this item, and I have wanted it for a while. I actually found a good price on Fashionphile. You guys, I've been complaining about Fashionphile lately because they really, I mean, some of their pricing is just crazy, like a Nano Speedy, $2,000. But, you know, you can find deals on there. So I found this item, like I said, that I've been wanting, and I decided to just get it for myself to commemorate my milestone. Fashionphile. All right. Here is the file and the confetti. You guys, I always say party in a box. And like I said, I'm saving these Fashionphiles for you guys. I'm not a nail person. I'm just not a nail person. Okay, party in a box, you guys. Woo! 7 o'clock in the morning. Party in a box. All right, so thank you. The thank you card. I do love their packaging. The receipt. Here's the item. Do you guys have any idea what I got myself? It's really pretty. And like I said, I've wanted it for a while. All right. So here's the item. Here's the packaging. So let's toss that aside. So like I said, used is the new you. No. It's 7 a.m. I haven't had coffee. Used is the new new. All right, so here it is. So let's just go ahead. Let's just bust it open. So I guess you can tell that it's not a handbag. I got myself something. I got myself a little pretty. It's in the Fashionphile dust bag. Okay. The Fashionphile box. So it's in this dust bag. I'm excited. I got myself, and here's those tags. I got myself a 18 karat gold, white gold Cartier love band. This is the skinny one. You know, I have this one, and I've been wanting a white gold, and I came across this. It was a pretty good price, so I just went ahead and got it. I love the Cartier rings stacked like that. I just love a band ring. So here it is. Is that picking it? I read somewhere that you shouldn't buy yourself Cartier love jewelry, that it should be a gift from someone, like from your love. Well, I love myself. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? It will remind me. This is my 3,000 subscriber ring. So I'm going to put it on with this, and you guys tell me what you think. Do you like the thick band with the thinner band? Ooh, I think it's pretty. I think it's pretty. The reason I went ahead and got the thin one is because I thought I might stack it like with a rose gold. I'm going to run out of finger if I use the wide ones. So isn't that pretty? I could also wear it on this finger. Yes, perfect. So I wear a size 8 on this finger, and this is a size 57. You guys, my hands are a little bit swollen right now, but sometimes my rings just slide off, and sometimes I have to just like really pull. But I like that. I think that's really pretty. This one was for my 15th wedding anniversary, and this is for my 3,000 subscriber achievement. So they hold sentimental value for me. So that's all I have, you guys. That's it. Just a Cartier love ring. No big deal. And a beautiful, beautiful necklace that Karen made me. Karen, you rock. I'm gonna have to send her a painting. This is just lovely. I love it. I love my ring. I love you guys. And I will be back next week and see what we can get into. So I'm gonna go have some coffee, and my little granddaughters will be here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. I need some scissors.